Hey, what's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage, Dubois. Welcome back. Today, we got this olive wood piece. Bought this from an olive wood dealer a long time ago when I first started this with ideas as to what I wanted to do. Let it set, get acclimated. This came from Turkey, so it's a pretty nice sized piece. Gonna make a little platter out of it. So we're gonna get this up on a glue block and get it turning. So let's hit it. Hey, welcome back everybody. Hope you enjoyed that olive wood piece that we got from Olive Wood Group on Instagram, and I'll put their information down below. Check out their store. They sell lots of olive blanks, and I think this is one of the first ones that they sold in talking with them back in 2020. So this has been a while that I've had this on hand. Did the inlay on it from the key shavings, just like Jim Sprague does, and I'll put a link to his channel right up here and down below. He does a lot of inlay stuff that's really cool, so I got some inspiration from him, so thank you for that, Jim. So here is our olive wood piece. Just absolutely beautiful. The graining in it, the little bit of the live edge, the void, and then of course the void where we fill it in with the key shavings. Just absolutely beautiful. I put a little bit of a foot on it, and then of course the mortise with the brand. Super happy with how this turned out. I love turning olive. I wish I could get boatloads more of it, but it's not that easy to come by here in the States. So I have to order it, and I got this piece from Turkey. So thank you once again. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, give it a thumbs down. But either way, leave a comment down below. Leave feedback. The channel has grown. We just passed 1,000 subscribers. So thank each and every one of you for the growth that we've seen, for your ongoing support. And I am honored that you guys would consider following along on my little adventures as I'm learning. So thank you all, and we'll catch you next time.